Oh, it's been a while since we've seen one of these. That's why I love that name, African Painter Dog, as well. All the different colors and markings and blotches on them. Beautiful faces. Look at that black line down the middle of the thread. Huge ears. They communicate a lot to each other when they're running around like this. Luckily for us at the moment they're not running around, but they will do so again soon. Just a little bit. These guys can cover ground very fast. Just going to try and get ahead a little bit, and then we'll stand by and see them coming up to us, trotting down the road. They're looking around. Just that spring in the step, any opportunity will be looked at by these guys. So they run a little bit, stop a little bit, listen a little bit, look around, assess. What a view. Disappearing behind the road there. Just going to stand by again, let the game drives come past. Yeah, and Como guys, I'll stand by right here. It's a perfect spot for us. Como. How many am I dodging for?
2, 1 left behind.
Okay, so there's 2 of them. Now this is different from the ones we saw a while back, that female with the 3 youngsters. These guys more active up towards Manaleti direction as well. Very good looking male this. That white, nice, nice white. Got those mixed up a little bit. Perfect white tip to the tail. It's one of the easy ways. Sometimes they've got different markings on the tail. It can be a black tip with a white blotch or so on. And really is fantastic to see this. If it's running like this, we